Hello, welcome back to Brand DevOps. I'm back again with another KodeKloud tutorial. Today we are in AWS. Our task for today is the Nautilus DevOps team is currently working on setting up a simple application on the AWS cloud. They aim to establish an application load balancer in front of the EC2 instance where a Nginx server is currently running. While the Nginx server currently serves a simple page, the team plans to deploy an actual application later. Set up the application load balancer named Nautilus ALB. Create a target group called Nautilus TG. Create a security group called Nautilus SG and to open port 80. Attach the security group to the ALB. ALB should route traffic from on port 80 to port 80 on the EC2 instance. Make appropriate changes to the default security group attached to the EC2 instance if necessary. Great. So in the AWS portal, we'll start by going to the EC2 page. So you can just search for EC2. And we'll create a application load balancer. We'll go down here to load balancers and create load balancer. I'm going to choose the application load balancer. And our load balancer name is going to be Nautilus ALB. So I'm just going to copy this here and paste it here. It's going to be internet facing, IPv4. I'm going to use the default VPC. I'm just going to check all these regions. I think you can get away with just checking 2 if you want. I'm going to check all 6. We're going to create a security group. That's going to be called Nautilus SG. Copy this. Paste. Our definition is going to be allow HTTP. We're going to add a rule and say all HTTP traffic from anywhere in the unit on the internet can send traffic to our load balancer. So let's create that rule. All right, and we can close this, fresh, and add our security group. All right, we're going to create a target group as well. So create target group. We're going to target instances, and our target group name is Nautilus TG. So we'll copy that, paste it here. Port protocol is HTTP. Address type is IPv4. All that stuff is good. And we can go to next. I'm going to click our EC2 instance and we're going to include as pending below. All right, and then we're going to click create target group. All right, close that page and add our newly created target group. All right, the rest of these configurations we can keep as default. We'll click create target group, go to our load balancers, and the state is in provisioning. So that's going to take a couple of minutes. I'm going to pause it here and I'll come back when it's fully deployed. Welcome back. As you can see now, our ABL is now in the active state. So we can go ahead and click this and get its details. In order to reach our Nginx server on our EC2 instance, we can use this DNS name, which is basically a web address to our EC2 instance. So let's paste that in there and wait for it to come up. All right, so we have a 504 gateway timeout, which basically means that there is an issue with the server. So either the server is down or it can't be reached, which it's most likely that it just can't be reached because it isn't running. So we'll go to the Nihilus EC2 instance. We'll go to security. Here we'll just click on the security group. Now move that a bit, and we're going to edit the inbound rules. So the inbound rules are set up wrong, basically. I'm just going to delete this, and I'm going to add a rule that allows HTTP traffic from anywhere. Let me see something. I'm going to add this security group. See that? I'll save that and see what happens. There we go. So as you can see, it's welcome to Nginx. So if you guys want to see that rule again, let me pull that rule up again. So you want to delete the previous group, add a HTTP type portal 8 source type custom, and then set the source to the security group that is on the application load balancer. All right, and as you can see, we are now getting traffic to our EC2 instance from our web address that is attached to our application load balancer. So now we can go ahead and validate the task. And there you have it. Hopefully you enjoyed this. I have a lot more videos coming for AWS. Give me a like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.